What is going on, guys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. So, once again, as always, I have found something to put into my truck that goes blink, blink, blink. I have listened to you guys in the comments below saying that my Amazon stuff is shit, and I appreciate the reviews, and let me tell you what, I've dropped some pretty big money into a couple things. This is part one out of part two of the mini uploads I'm going to do this. So here's what I have purchased. This is a 1000 Ilumex from Ultra Bright Lights. This is a red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red flashing stick, as they call it. It goes completely across my back glass. I'm still working on stabilizing it in the back. You might ask, what am I going to do with my other two I had? As you might have already just seen, I got them mounted up right here. So they sit in here pretty good on both sides. I realized that my lighting on the sides obviously isn't as good as what it needs to be. But by golly, let me tell you that just changed. So I am in the process still of wiring it up. I'm just going to show you what it looks like on the sides real quick. So that is that now, and on the other side, you can see my little hideaways up there going to work too. That's what it looks like on this side. Obviously, different brand of Amazon China BS, so different style of flashing patterns and whatnot. So I'm going to get into the brains of my center console. Fun, fun, fun. And I am going to start my wiring. So thankfully, I have just enough wire from the factory extension that it came with. So as you see here, I have several different wires. So this is really good because I can have several different flash patterns. So my stage 1 pattern, I can have something going, my stage 2, something else, and my stage 3, once again, different pattern. So we're going to do some playing around with it, and I will get back with you guys. So I'm just trying to provide a little update of where I'm at in life right now. Let me just say that this is quite interesting. I've got the wire ran, I have the positive and the ground connected, and I have a mode connected. So now what I need to do is I need to get into the Federal Signal app and start looking into the programming. That being said, I'm going to have to go into my actual Federal Signal app, like I just said, and turn on certain power to certain relays. And just work with what I can and start playing with stuff little by little. Alright, so just another quick update. The light bar itself actually works, so that is a great start. I'm still playing with the patterns and the wires of what I want it to do with my Federal Signal Touchmaster, with the controller, whatnot, with the flash patterns. But like I said, I still haven't officially mounted it yet, so I still need to straighten it up, whatnot. But this is just like, I mean, this thing is super bright. I mean, it's killing myself to look at it. So we're going to go in there and we're going to continue playing around and see what all we can get into. Okay, guys and girls, literally 2 hours later, I finally got her figured out. I don't even have everything put away yet, but I finally got it figured out. I also got it centered up where I want it to be. It's nice and even. I tell you what, I've never struggled with something more in my life. And I sat here and told myself, I said, this is going to be so easy when I figure this out, and I'm going to be so upset with myself whenever I realize what I'm doing wrong. And by golly, was I ever. So I have my list here, my relays, and what goes to what, and oh my lord, it's a mess. I still haven't even finished, tapping everything together, but I just have it set up to where and what I want it to be at. So I will go through my lighting patterns now. So this is stage 1. I have. Okay. So it goes from right to left. I like that. I guess I didn't do a good job. I need to recenter that. I guess I never actually looked at it. So it goes from right to left. More often than not, I'm parked on the right side of the road. This is just your basic stage 1. All your side lights are activated. Everything in the rear. So stage 2 activates everything in the front, as you see here. Activates everything in the front as well as in the rear. Just going with a little basic Night Rider pattern for now, just because I'm still a fan of Night Rider. Once I get my other toys in, this will be suggested to change, I'm sure, but as of right now, we're just going to roll with that. I never roll. This is on the setting 2. I hardly ever use setting 2, so I guess we'll just see. And this is number 3. Everything up front stays the same on number 3. Everything right here does too. This is just what I have it set on. Something a little funky. It's kind of bouncing all over the place. Hideaway's up there, still going to work. But yeah, so this is the ultra bright lights. 1000 Ilumex stick. Very bright. Even with the window tint in the back, it's still shining right through it. Now let me turn the lights off, just so you can get an idea. So that looks amazing. I love that. It's reflecting off the garage door and everything. So I'm very pleased with this. Like I said earlier, big shout out to UBL. Links to all their stuff down below. 10 out of 10 recommended. This is just a perfect setup. I can't wait till my other toys come in. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, like I said. It's all going to be a surprise, but I'm sure you guys will love it. And I can't wait to do some videos on it. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. As always, any other video suggestions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.